Hello guys, in this video we're going to talk about how to use colors in Adobe XD. So I have opened this UI style guide by Vivek Popat, which you can download for free on XD Guru. I think he did a really good job with this, and let's just jump right into it. So basically the colors in Adobe XD, you can select, for example, this rectangle, and you're going to see the fill on the right, and you can simply click on the main color, and here you're going to see all the main spectrum of colors, and you can adjust the brightness, the saturation, and the opacity. So we can visually modify them from here, and we can change the hue on this bar over here, and the opacity is going to be this last bar on the very right. As you can see, the opacity is controlled also by this segment over here, so you can see the percentage of the exact opacity. So in this case we're at 50% of the opacity, and it's reflected in this segment. Now on this part, this is very useful for web development because it's going to give you the hex code, and this is going to be useful when using the CSS. And you can also change the hex format to also our RGB color format or HSB. And here you're going to see also some of the colors which you can save in this bar. So by simply clicking on the plus, you can save the color to this color swatch, and you're always going to have this color swatch available for quick selection of the color. Now, one of the most interesting features is the ability to use the Eyedropper tool, which you can simply click over here on this icon, and this will allow you to make granular decisions on which color you'd like to have, and it basically covers all the elements. It also excluded the artboard. So if, for example, I selected the Adobe XD main window and I go on the eyedropper, and I can see that you can easily select also the colors in the desktop background, which is pretty cool. So it's covering all the main window. Now if you go on the assets panel, you can see that you can also add a color over here. So you can simply click on the plus, and now the color is going to be added in the assets. So this is going to be very useful when creating a complete and full guide of the assets. So especially when it comes to the style guide, and it really helps for consistency in the design decisions. So I hope this tutorial was useful. If you have any questions, as always, drop a comment below and I will get back to you.